Doug Wiley with Police Magazine. I'm here at SHOT Show, the industry day at the range out in Boulder City, Nevada here, with JJ with Federal. You've got some interesting new products here for law enforcement, and let's talk about we've got two of them we want to talk about. Let's talk about the Gold Dot.
So Federal Ammunition and Spear Ammunition is run by the same group of people.
Right.
But this is Spear Gold Dot G2 carry gun. So it uses the Gold Dot G2 bullet, but it's optimized for carry guns. So it's a 2-inch barrel, 3-inch barrel for backup guns, things like that. So you're getting the Gold Dot reputation that everyone knows,
right?
But you're also getting it optimized for a smaller,
for your backup gun, for your concealed carry, off-duty kind of carry.
Exactly.
Outstanding.
Exactly.
That's very exciting. This is actually, for me, more exciting because I love training. I think training is underrated. We've got a great package here.
Yes.
So this is it's in 9mm here, but there's other calibers available.
Definitely. You're 40 or 45,
right,
things like
right.
that. But this is one box. You get 2 trays of ammunition. One tray is going to be HST. Everyone knows this. It's an awesome round for law enforcement.
Right.
And then you also get a tray of ballistically matched Syntech training match. Now that's going to be the synthetic jacket. So it's a jacketed bullet that's a synthetic jacket, not a metal jacket.
Right.
But it's ballistically matched with HST. So you have the same point of impact, same ballistics. So your gun is going to perform the same out of your practice ammunition as your duty.
It's extremely economical to then get to the range and do more training, right?
Exactly. And then once you're probably going to go through this faster than this, so you can just buy 50-round boxes of the training matches in a purple box. It's easy to box.
It's fantastic. Really, really great products, great information. Thank you, JJ.
Thank you.
Doug Wiley, Police Magazine.